Yo, what is up guys? Nick Nakai here, Let's Drift Media. Thank you for coming back to the channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button down below and drop a comment. It really helps me out, helps out my channel. So on today's episode, what we're going to be doing is an alignment on the Nissan S14. Some of you guys may know I replaced the rear upper control arms that were super trashed, and I had like mad negative camber. I went and put those yellow purple ones up there, you can see. So pretty sure my alignment's pretty screwed up anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do an alignment, see how bad it is. So let's get it checked out. Funny thing, on our alignment machine it uses these clamp-on type, not the ones that go around the rim. So unfortunately, since I'm kind of a little bit too low with this over fender, when I go to do the roll check and the caster sweep, it ends up hitting the fender. So what I did, I just zip tied them super tight in about 3 locations on each sensor. I mean, not ideal, but you gotta do what you gotta do, and I've used this method before, so let's get started.
I just wanna lie, 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 lie. I just wanna lie, I just wanna lie, 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 lie. I just wanna lie.
Alright, so went ahead and did the reading, did the caster sweep. So here are the readings. Actually pretty surprised, because on the rear camber, that's essentially what I replaced, those arms, and I got it pretty close to what I wanted. I mean, I want probably like negative 0.1 or 0.2, just a little bit negative. I don't really want positive camber or dead even camber, but I'm pretty surprised that I got it so close. Rear toe I'm gonna have to adjust as well. Front toe for sure. Camber, I'm going to see if I can get them equal. Caster, I'm just going to leave it as that at 6.6. That's, I believe, close to the spec I was running before. So go ahead and start on the rear and try and get this camber in a little bit and center the toe better, and then we'll move to the front. So before we get started, I'm going to be using this sick Milwaukee M12 powered light. Thanks to Alex letting me borrow it, and now I kind of want to get one for myself. Magnetic base in the back and a little pivot here. Maybe I'll do a review once I get my own, but this little thing is awesome. Kind of just stick it anywhere you want, and it's the natural daylight. Alright, so first things first, gonna loosen the 24s on the top and try and get this camber a little bit more negative, and then we'll go ahead and adjust the toe arms to fix that toe. Alright, so I was able to get this side to negative 0.1 degrees, which is almost like flush, zero camber. Tried to get it at negative 0.2, but it kept moving, so I'm just going to leave it as that. I'm just do the other side's camber, and then we'll set this toe and move on to the front. Alright, well our driver's side toe is pretty good, 0.15 degrees. Passenger side, you can see 0.37, it's a little bit excessive, so just going to level that out to match the driver's side around that 0.15 toe in, and yep, we'll go from there. Alright, the rear now, toe pretty close, 0.13, 0.14, not too concerned about getting exactly. Rear camber, negative 0.1 on both sides, so just tucked a little bit. Really can't really tell too much, but I kind of like that flush fitment with the over fenders. Now let's move on to the front. So now on the front camber, left side is negative 5.5, right side is negative 6.9. I think I'm going to kind of keep it more closer to 6. So we'll see what I do there. Caster, I'm going to leave it alone, and then we'll finish off with toe. But when I was looking under the vehicle, I realized the coilover lock spring, or low lock nut up there, I'll show you guys, that is loose, and my ride height has shifted. For some reason this one got about like 3 inches finger gap in between the tire and the fender, and over here got about 2. So I'm gonna just lower the passenger side just slightly, and then I'll mess with the camber. Alright, went ahead and got the camber, or really as positive as I can get it. I believe I do have some adjustments on the top, so I'm going to just run it at negative 5.5. I know that's kind of a lot of negative camber, but that's what I've been running, or even more in the past. So we'll just see what happens. I got toe set up pretty nice in the green. Caster, I'm pretty sure something's bent up the front. So I've tried to get this one to get more caster on the driver's side, and this is kind of like maxed out. So not too sure what's going on with that. But that's pretty much it, guys. Just gotta tighten everything up. This alignment's like pain in the ass compared to just normal cars we do here at work, but you know what? That's a drift car. That's a drift car life. So hopefully we can get out there drifting soon. I'll let you guys know the next event I'm planning on going to. It's been a while. I want to say like almost a year that I've actually driven at a drift event. Well, I went one time in Stan's car, but not in my car. So hopefully I can get out there soon, guys. Let me know if you guys have any comments in the Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up.